In this video, I will guide you through creating a brand new Microsoft account on your computer quickly and easily, step by step. First, I opened Microsoft on my personal computer. On the top right corner, I clicked on the Sign In button. A drop-down menu appeared, and from there I selected Sign In to sync data. After that, another pop-up opened showing 2 existing accounts. Below those accounts, there was an option called Add Account. I selected Add Account and clicked on Continue. Now the Sign In window opened. There was an email input field, and below it, an option that said Create One. Since we are creating a new account, I clicked on Create One. A new pop-up appeared asking for an email address. If you already have a Google account, you can enter that email here. If you do not have a Google account, you can watch the video link shown on your screen to learn how to create a professional Google account. I will also pin the link in the comments section. Now I entered my email address and clicked Next. After that, the Create a Password screen appeared. I typed my password and clicked Next. Then a pop-up appeared asking, "What is your name?" There were 2 fields, first name and last name. I entered my first name, then my last name, and clicked Next. Next, another pop-up appeared asking for my birth date. First, I selected my country. You can select your own country. Then I selected the month, the day, and entered the year. After filling in the details, I clicked Next. Now the email verification screen appeared. Microsoft sent a verification code to my email address. So I opened Google Chrome, logged into the same Google account, and opened Gmail. I found the email from Microsoft, opened it, copied the verification code, and returned to the pop-up window. Then I entered the code and clicked Next. After that, a screen appeared saying "Let us prove you're human." There was a button that required clicking and holding. I clicked and held the mouse button until the bar filled completely from left to right. Once it turned fully blue, the verification was successful. Next, a pop-up appeared saying "Use Windows Hello with your account." Windows Hello is a security feature that allows you to sign in using your personal computer password, personal identification number, fingerprint, or face recognition instead of typing your password every time. It makes your login faster and more secure. I clicked OK, entered my personal computer password, and completed the setup. And just like that, my Microsoft account was successfully created. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.